Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make peri peri sauce. So if you have been to Nando's or been to any chicken place where they have this spicy orange sauce, you know, that's the most famous peri peri sauce. So today I'll be showing you how to make that. So here are the ingredients. I have some red big pepper, the bell pepper, 1 piece onion. I have these large lemons. I have these cloves of garlic, some cilantro, some basil. You may want to use the oregano as well. And I have 2 large green chilies. So if you have the red ones, they're preferred. You know, I don't have the red ones, so I'm going to go with the green ones, but they should work fine. Now, you definitely need paprika. We already talked about oregano. We need some paprika. That's for coloring. Some black pepper, some regular salt, and of course the olive oil. So you make sure you use the extra virgin olive oil. One more thing, vinegar, white vinegar you can take, or if you have the red vinegar, you can use that as well. So once you have all these things, I'm going to put everything in there. First, all these ingredients, and we're going to grind it. Paprika, just I'm going to use maybe 2 teaspoons, you know, just a little bit of black pepper, less than a teaspoon of salt, and maybe half a cup of olive oil, and just a little bit of vinegar, maybe like 2 tablespoons. And that should be enough. This one I'm just probably going to use half a teaspoon, and put everything in there and grind it. So let me go ahead and start putting this in. Okay, everything is in there. So now I have this olive oil. So this is how much I'm using. Now I'm using the vinegar. And now I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. And just a little bit of oregano, maybe half a teaspoon. Okay, so all the ingredients are in, and now we're going to go ahead and grind it. You can see how the color is coming up. Okay, now I think it's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and taste it. And I don't want to put my finger in there, so I'm just gonna taste it right from. Tastes pretty good. Okay, so it's ready, and now it's ready to serve. And if you really want to store it, you can put in a bottle and put it in the fridge, you know, to use it later. But I think we're gonna eat it for the dinner tonight. All right, guys, so hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.